Welcome to this demo of the new action table for secure writeback data, where we will show you how to easily and securely write data directly to your cloud database from a Sisense dashboard. With our custom action framework, you can create actions that write back to any database. In this example, we'll add a new data point to our BigQuery database, which will instantly appear on Paldi's Google Map widget. Here, we're assigning a new location in Greenland to Benji. Once saved, the data is written to the database and automatically updates on the widget. Next, let's take interactive dashboards to a whole new level. With parameters, you can set and visualize sales goals, then write those values back to the database as target sales for the sales team. In this case, we will find how many items need to be sold in order to meet the item sales goals. Once the targets are set, the values can be filled in the table widget, and then with a single click, they are stored in the database and reflected across all widgets in real time. Let's check how the data looks in BigQuery. As you can see, the new geopoint has been created, and the sales targets have been updated as well. Finally, let's look at an operational use case, a support ticket system. In this example, we have 6 unassigned tickets. We will assign one of the open support tickets to Emma. Now, after Emma resolves the ticket, she can go ahead and change its status directly from the table widget. Here, you can see an example where we assigned a widget to be updated based on the connector refresh rate or triggered on demand. With this secure writeback data plugin, you can update and interact with your data directly from your dashboard, enabling true self-service BI in Sisense.